Hi there, my name is James Belton. I'm a Watson Cloud Platform technical subject matter expert, and this short video is just a quick demonstration of an application called My Billing, which a colleague of mine, Maria Borbones, has actually created, which is actually a really good way of seeing what your billing looks like um, by um, by organisation and by space within IBM Cloud. So whilst it's been developed by an IBMer, just a quick warning: this isn't actually an official IBM application. It is considered to be communityware. It's not maintained by IBM in any way. So it is very much offered on an as-is basis. So just to just to give you a bit of a reminder there. So so quickly how to use this. You can actually find the application at mybilling.bluemix.net, and this is the first page you get where you get it's obviously a login page. So to log in, you simply select your region and then put in your username and password. Now, because I'm an IBMer and because as an IBMer we have federated IDs, and there's obviously other organisations out there that have federated IDs. What I need to do is actually go to the SSO login page. So again, I select a region. So I do actually have organisations or spaces, I should say, in all of these regions. But at the moment, this application, when you log in, you need to decide the region that you actually want to look at. So I'm going to choose United Kingdom. So what it's now going to do is take me to a place where I can get a code to log in using my SSO, my federated ID. So I put in my SSO code here, and then just click login. Okay, so the next step is just to select the organisation. So I've got a number of organisations here. So I'm going to choose my main organisation, which is Dr. Bluemix. And what you then get is a calendar. So obviously with a calendar you can flick through, and the idea is that you can then actually pick the month that you want to see the billing for. So let's go for June. So all I need to do is click that, and then what you can see is if I then scroll down the page, you can then see the two spaces that I've actually got in my organisation. So there's one called James Dev, there's one called Dev, and you can actually see there's a bit of a usage comparison there. So obviously I've been what I've been doing in June has mainly been in this space called James Dev, and obviously I've not done anything in Dev, so you can see that there's a bit of a comparison there. And what you can then actually see is the actual billable usage. So this is where this is quite powerful. So down one side it gives you the icon of the service. If you're familiar with that, it'll give you the service name. It'll give you the name of the application, or the name of the instance that I've created. It'll then tell you what the cost is, and where that cost is made up from. So, for instance, with object storage, it'll tell you, how much storage per month that I've been using, and also the gigabyte outbound per month as well. So it's quite nicely broken down there. You've got a total cost there, so the cost is actually in euros. And then in my dev space, you can see that I do actually have something there called access trail, so it's part of the activity tracker, and I've not actually used any billable information there. So if I click there, then you can basically just takes me back to the top of the screen. And of course, if you want to, you can go to different months, so you can do some kind of comparison. Okay, so it's not able to go back that far. There we go. If I click again, I'm not entirely sure what that error was for, but as I say, this is very much offered as is. So again, what you can then see from here is I've been doing some bits and pieces with OpenWhisk, and again within my James Dev, you can see that see that I've been, what I've been up to there. So again, it's a really quite good tool. It's pretty easy to use. The interface is very clear. If I want to change my organisation, so maybe I want to go and have a look at James Co, or UK Co rather. Again, if I go back to June, just let that page refresh. Then again, you can see that I've been doing some stuff in there, and in fact my usage is €5.40 in there. And you can just see again, it's very clear as to what it is that I've been doing and how that's actually been costed. Okay, so the other thing I can actually do with this tool is export to export to Excel, or I can export to a CSV file. So all I need to do there is click, and so if I click OK there, it's going to open it with Excel. I'll just wait for my Excel to open up. Okay, so I'm going to open it anyway. So there you go. You can see there's a nice, quite a nice little report there, which gives you again some, the information that you need. Just close it down. And again, of course, you can then export it to a CSV file as well if you want to. So I'll cancel that. So there you go. That's a very quick whiz round. As I say, this is not an official IBM application. It is considered to be communityware. At the moment, it doesn't actually support resource groups, because these resource groups are also they're kind of like spaces, and it's a new way of doing access management within the IBM Cloud. At the moment, this application doesn't actually enable you to look at usage in resource groups. So but having said that, it is a very useful tool, and a lot of customers that I'm working with at the moment do actually like this tool, and they are using it because it gives them a slightly enhanced experience from what they're currently seeing in the IBM Cloud platform. Okay, well that's it. Hope you've enjoyed this short video, and see you again next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.